Hey YouTube, it's Alan Sugano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and thanks a lot for listening to this quick tip on micro training and cybersecurity training. We feel that cybersecurity training needs to be an integral part of your overall cybersecurity strategy, just because, right, the running joke is whatever IT or your CISO, your chief security officer, puts in place for safeguards, end users can maybe not intentionally or maybe not maliciously bypass it just because they're like, oh, it's stupid. I'm not going to, like for example, if you implement a long password policy and a user decides to write down that password and put it on a post-it on their monitor, that's not good, right? We found that micro training, in other words, micro training in small pieces, maybe a video or a newsletter, very short, concise, to the point, that doesn't take more than a few minutes to read, is much more effective than annually or even quarterly training. The takeaway here is that you want to have that always be top of mind. You kind of need to have your spidey senses tingling, right? And not go, oh yeah, that's, no. It kind of needs to be forefront in your mind to keep everybody safe. And by the way, Department of Homeland Security says that over 95%, or certainly over 90% of initial access is now gained through, wait for it, spear phishing. Yeah, so it is important for your staff to be able, and your employees to be able to identify both phishing and spear phishing. Spear phishing, if you're not aware, is something where the hackers might have done a little bit of research that's something specific about maybe a project or an environment or something that's specific to your company, where it might have looked like it came from a CFO or CEO or CISO or CIO, and everybody's like, oh my gosh, I got to respond to this person, but it could be fake. So, hey, this is your CEO reminding you that you need to buy me gift cards. No, they're not going to ask you that, right? So you want to make sure that training is forefront of mind, so you have some type of out-of-band authentication mechanism or something, just to make sure that you can verify that request is legit. So micro training is now really, really important. If you want more information on the micro training we provide for our clients, you can send an email. I'll put the email address here to info@adscon.com. Thanks a lot for listening, and stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.